Hello everyone, we're here in Acox Green, Birmingham, asking people about their cars. Let's hear what they say.
When your car gets scratches or dents,
What do you usually do?
I usually go to local garages, but it takes too long.
Good point. Did you know there's a workshop here in Acox Green, Shiny Soul Motor?
Would you like a workshop that gives honest prices and makes your car look brand new?
Of course, everyone would love that.
That's exactly what Shiny Soul Motor offers. Dent removal, paintwork, and polishing at the best standard.
People are busy with their shopping and daily life. But when it comes to cars, one name is becoming popular here in Birmingham, Shiny Soul Motor.
So if your car needs repair, polish, or paint, come to Shiny Soul Motor, Acox Green, Birmingham, UK.
Trusted by locals, loved by drivers. Shiny Soul Motor. Come and see the difference yourself.